Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here, it's about mid-December and the sun's actually out, but it's quite cold out here. It's about 43 degrees here in California. I'm gonna walk you guys through how to clean the screens and the interior of the car. I have a technique that I've been using for a while now. Works really well, and I think you guys might be interested in that. A lot of people have asked through the comments, what's the best way to clean the inside of the car? What do you use yourself? So I'm about to highlight some of that for you guys here today. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're inside my Tesla Model S long range version. For those of you new to the channel, welcome. I'm gonna show you what is the best way to clean the inside of the car and some little best practices that I've been using over the years, and I've certainly applied it to my new Tesla here. You'll notice that the cars in general collect a lot of dust in the cracks and the crevices here. You get them on the dash as well, and overall it just gets a bit dusty. What is the best way to clean this? Well, I don't really use a lot of hardcore product. I would never ever use Armor All inside the car. What is the best way to clean these screens? A lot of people just say go ahead and use some damp water on a cloth that is not going to be abrasive or scratch anything is usually the best way. And I have a kind of a technique for that. I do use a product. It's the same product I use on the outside of the car, but it does really well. I'll put the very end of the video here. I'll show you which that product is. But first off, when you have a screen like this, I'm sure many of you notice these Teslas have these very large screens, almost like iPads. You can click on this icon down here. Go ahead and click on the display, and to really see how dirty this is, let me go ahead and take the brightness all the way down, but you can see all the fingerprints on the display. So what is the best way to clean it? If I'm going to go ahead and keep this just on auto, there we go. And the best way to clean it is to hit this screen clean mode. So when I go ahead and click that, you can see again how dirty it is, but that gives you the capability of actually cleaning the screen where it's not going to interfere with the actual operation of the car itself. And you can see the little message here to this is in the screen clean mode, and you just have to hold this button down to actually exit it. So this allows you to clean it in real time. So this is kind of the main product I use. It's the same product that I purchased. I'll put a little clip here at the very end so you can see that. So I'll use a very simple non-abrasive polycom cloth here, and then if I go ahead and spray a little bit of this on the cloth, it will make it real easy. You don't need that much at all. And then basically what I do is I just clean the screen like that, very simply. You can see here how it's just taking that in and very simply cleaning it. So then what you can also do is just wipe it off now on the other side, the dry part of the cloth. And that's how easy it is, really. So again, a lot of people have just used damp water. I've been using this stuff on the inside of my car for quite a while. It doesn't leave any kind of film or any kind of oily residue or anything like that. You can also get other screens here as well. I also use this just on the dash to get that dust off as well. So real simply, and down here just to get this dust out, and you always get dust here behind the steering wheel as well. So again, this is just kind of what I've been doing over the years, and multiple cars I've done this with. It's very easy to do, so I thought that would be a helpful hint for all of you guys here with your Teslas. To get out of the screen cleaning mode, you just again hold this button down, and you can see it waits 3, 2, 1, and now you're out of it. So it's really that easy to get out of it. So I thought you guys would enjoy this little helpful hint. What's the best way to clean the interior parts of your car? What's the best way to clean your screens? And how do you put it in the screen clean mode on the main display? And how do you get out of that? So hopefully this was helpful, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any additional comments. More than happy to answer for them. Please subscribe to the channel. Take care, everyone. Okay, so this is the actual cleaning solution I've been using, again, for the indoor and outdoor part of the car. So if you guys want to order this, you can go ahead and do that on Amazon. You only pour a little bit in here. It dilutes to about 10 times the portion. So you can pour a little bit in and then fill the rest with water, shake it up, and you're ready to go for your cleaning solution for the outside of the car as well as the inside. So again, I've been using this for quite a while, no problems at all, no scrapes, no adjustments, no strange residue film. I even use this on glass as far as like windows and things like that, and it doesn't streak at all as long as you wipe off with a dry cloth and make sure you get all those streaks out. But it's really simple to use, very easy. Again, no strange side effects with it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know.